Hey guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to the new video. I finally got to show you how I color my hair. I'm going to do highlights, I'm going to highlight my whole head and I'm going to tone it. And if you want to see how I went from this to this, then keep on watching. I also want you to know that I am not a hairstylist, I'm not a hair professional, I am just a girl who likes to color my hair at home. And the main reason is that I literally save hundreds of euros with this. Yes, hundreds of euros. For long hair like this in Germany, it is so expensive and literally this is better than what I got in the salons. Also guys, if you are new to my channel and you like videos like this, don't forget to subscribe and hit the thumbs up. So I'm going to use this highlight cap, which I actually already used 2 times. When you get the cap, you have to poke through these little holes and you have there also this little hook. With this little hook you are going to take little piece by little piece through the cap holes. And not gonna lie, this is quite a work. After it, when you are done with this part, it's just quick. You put the color on it and you wash it, you tone it, and I will show you all that. I will link definitely below where I ordered this cap. I think it's great and easy way to do it at home. So I think it's always best to color your hair where your hair is not washed. So you can see my hair is not really nice, but I washed my hair I think 3 days ago, so I knew I will color my hair today. When you are using this cap, you should place your hair in the way you are usually wearing it. And then just put this nice cap. So yeah. Then I'm going to get my hook and I will just try to take as many hair as I can. And yeah, I will catch you after that. So as you can see, I started from the right front and I'm doing it the lower part all around, and then I'm going here because yeah, I think if I would start right away here on the top, it would just fell in my face and I wouldn't see anything. I'm just trying to always feel with my finger where the hole is and then just poke it out and then brush it out. It definitely tests your patience. I'm not really a patient person, but right now it's going well. We will get there, you know. Of course, if you have someone who can help you with it, it would be maybe better, also faster. It doesn't need to be perfect, you know. The most important part is then actually to have the right developer, the right bleach, and yeah, the right toner, and the toner actually covers then every mistake. So it's just a little bit annoying and it takes patience and time. So really 2 hours later guys, I am pretty much done. I think I did a good job. I did even more than I expected, so I think it's gonna be nice. And yeah, I think it will be very full head highlights. I'm not sure, actually in the back it wasn't that perfect, but yeah, I think it's enough. The most annoying part is behind us, but now it comes the most important part, and that's the color and everything mixed together right. We need to do one more thing. I'm going to just brush it a little bit. We need to put away the hair what we don't want to color, so this is really all the hair I'm going to color. I'm using the powder bleach from Wella. I will leave that in the description. And I am mixing it with the developer from Schwarzkopf, and this is the 30 volume. My hair, it's not that dark, maybe I could even have 20 volume. But yeah, I am using the 30 volume. It always depends on how dark your hair is. You know, you have to do really research what would work for you, as I did before. If you have similar hair color to me, I would recommend what I am using. I will leave everything below, and you're supposed to mix this together. So it says you should mix 30 grams of this with the 2 times of that developer, if it makes sense. I'm going to double this portion, so I'm doing 60 grams of the bleach powder and the double amount of developer. I was just eyeballing it, guys. I saw it's very thick, so I put a little bit more of developer. Not gonna lie, it could be even more liquidy. You should always use your gloves, because peroxide, it's not fun, it's lots of bad chemicals. So let's use some gloves and let's put it quickly on. I think my mixture is a little bit too thick, but let's see. Put it all around, easy peasy, like this. Yeah, I think it's definitely too thick, but I think it will do just perfect. This literally takes me like 3 minutes, so that's why I like to do it like this. And I am actually also going to do the ends. I didn't color my hair in forever, so it's okay, but if you are bleaching your hair often, that's probably better to do just the roots, right? I would normally do it in the bathroom, of course, but I think you can see it better here. So I hope I don't do mess all around here and I don't ruin everything, because if peroxide goes on something, you know, it's just bleached. It's good to work quickly, because the peroxide after some time doesn't work, so as quick as possible to apply the bleach. And then I'm going to leave it on like 35 minutes, I think. You should always, you know, look if your hair is not falling out or how bleached it is between. Yeah, I think we are done with the bleach. Just trying to massage everything in so we don't have any spots. I'm going to put over just a plastic bag so we keep it nice and warm, and the bleach works better then. Just like that. I'm getting closer to the 30 minutes, I think, so this is right now how it looks. And yeah, it is white, it is warm. I think that's gonna be enough to tone it in the way I want. So I'm going to go and wash it up now. I just want to take it off and show you how it looks. Yeah. We are going to use the toner on the wet hair, so I would say I can definitely see some baby highlights peeking through. So it looks good, I think. I am going to use the toner and the developer from Fanola, which I already used I think 2 or 3 times, but now I got just a 3.5 volume developer because I had before I think 10% and it was too much. When I was toning my hair, it was doing this brassy yellowish effect on my roots, and I don't want that. I want the cool effect. And then I am using the No Yellow color toner from Fanola, and I'm going to mix it for just a coloring cream. So that's 1 of this bottle and 1.5 of the developer. Then you can use it like a coloring cream, super highlighter and toner. 1 of this toner and 2 times of this developer. I don't actually see how long I should leave it on, but I think I was always leaving it on like for 15-20 minutes, something like that. We will see. So yeah, I'm going to mix this, and I always apply it on the wet hair. So maybe I can show you here a little bit how I start, or maybe I should go to the bathroom because now it can get messy. The whole tube of toner is about 90 grams, and then I am adding amount of 1.5 of this 90 grams to it and mixing it well together. That should be then about 135 grams. You know guys, I'm eyeballing it, I'm just doing it here all in the grams, so I have just some idea that I am putting there 1.5 amount of this, and then I go just with the feeling. Here is the mixture, so it's quite thick because I chose this ratio, but it's okay. And then I just do that like this. I start at the roots and then I will go down and I will do my whole head. You always take small sections like this. My hair is really tangled right now. I need to put lots of conditioner on it after it. Now I'm going to do the other side. So of course my battery died. I was actually missing a bit on the ends, so I put a little bit of water in it and I massaged everything hopefully very well together. I was using my gloves, but I needed to change the batteries, so I will show you like that. I was trying to pull it down and I was massaging it all together. You can see it has already this cool tone. Yeah. So I'm going to leave it on another, I think 20 minutes, and then we are finally done. Then I will wash it with shampoo, with conditioner, and I will dry my hair. I think I will put there lots of oil so the hair can regenerate. I am very excited for it. Are you ready, guys? 3, 2, 1. Look at my hair. Oh my god. I am so happy how it turned out. The light is horrible, so I took the camera like this, so I hope you can see the difference, but I am amazed. I am so happy. I think it turned up so good. Should I take some appointments now, or should I change my profession, or wow. I am so happy because this is the best what I have done right now, I think, because before it was for me way too grayish, and this is just very natural, I would say. Look how natural it is. I feel like the brassy yellow color is gone and it got very nice refresh. What do you think, guys? Comment below. Like, did you see, guys, my hair before? Just like this, I saved hundreds of euros. Like, literally. And the hair feels very healthy. I put lots of hair oil in it, so it can also regenerate. Lots of conditioner. If you want to see which conditioner, which shampoo I use, I actually shared it in the last video, so I can link that below. You can have a look, because I started to use hair products without sulfates, which helped me, for example, with my problems with dry scalp. So yeah, guys, this is how I color my hair. I am happy that I finally got to make this video. If you like type of content like this and this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit a thumbs up. I will see you next time. Bye bye.